The old capital's Spanish town St. Catherine came alive today as the winning 2023 Schools Challenge quiz team from St. Jago High, teachers, parents and well-wishers celebrated the school's victory in grand style. Here's Aisha Nation with the highlights.
They're the pride of Spanish town St. Catherine. The victory parade by the St. Jago High quiz team through the streets of the old capital. A welcome sight at a time when most of the references linked to the area relate to crime and violence.
Jago deserve it. Spanish Town deserve it. St. Catherine deserve it. Trust me, I best.
I know it's a great thing for St. Catherine. Great upliftment and also.
For the young, the team's success is something to aspire to. As for the not so young, this is Monk Street in Rivoli, Spanish Town, home of the 7-time Schools Challenge Quiz champions. St. Jago is highly revered by the community, and while there's acknowledgement about the combined support of staff, parents and students, Principal Colette Furtado Price singled out the residents.
They are our supporters, they are our protectors, and Rivoli, we just want better for this community, and we can't wait to be in a position with the MPs and others to help lift this community, because there are loads of potential here in Rivoli. St. Jago being here, you can imagine if we had the support for our school and for the community, what magic could take place down here.
And I'm a son in future school too. Oh yeah, because I have a son in grade 6, that one in grade 4. If the grade 6 one don't come here, the grade 4 one has to come here.
That aside, the winning team continues to bask in the moment of back-to-back victories. Yet another boost of confidence as preparations will begin soon for next year's competition. A win then is seen as even more significant as the school will celebrate its 280th year. And as we found out, 3 of the 4 current members will remain. Aisha Nation, TVJ News.